Customers always ask us, what is a better product, an oil-based product or a water-based product for my deck? Now, oil-based products penetrate into the pores of the timber, whereas a water-based product not only penetrates into the timber, but it will also provide a protective barrier, which helps with UV as well. So when you're looking at staining or oiling your deck and you don't know which one to do, a couple of things that you need to have a think about is what sort of aesthetic you want to achieve. Obviously, staining it will add colour. If you want to use an oil, that will just enhance the natural look of the timber. How do I choose a stain for my deck? The best thing to do, first of all, is to come in store and have a look at our sample boards. We have a variety of different sorts of timbers and different sorts of coatings for you to have a bit of a look at. We also have our brochures from Intergrain Cabot, Feast Watson as well for you to also peruse through. Now, the other thing we have is our sample pots as well. So if you have some spare decking boards or if you've got a little spot that you might be able to sample some colour, these are also a fantastic way to sample your stain colours.